Here I have Vivo V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, just hold down power key, and when this turn off menu appears, just hold down your finger on power off, and after it proposes you to reboot to the safe mode, just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is to prove that we are in a safe mode right now. If you want to quit this mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.